What's good, everybody? It's your girl Richay here, back again with another video, and welcome back to my bedroom, and of course welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be part 2. I know my hair is different. This is a different day that I'm filming this intro because I'm stupid and didn't film it the first time. But today's skirt, we're gonna make this skirt right here, and yeah, let's get started. So here I'm just making the pattern. Basically, I'm putting the length right here on this side, and I'm moving the measuring tape to the top, and I am putting 1/4 of her waist measurement up at the top because this pattern is not going to be cut on fold, so I do have to make 4 pieces. So that's me marking the 1/4 of her waist. So from there, I'm basically going from the measurement that I took from her waist to her hip, and I'm marking that. And then I'm gonna do 1/4 of her hip measurement right about there. And I'm gonna mark a straight line going across. And then of course I'm gonna make the curve going all the way down, and then that straight line at the bottom to mark the bottom of the skirt. I'm gonna go ahead and match the curve with that line right there. The next step is, of course, to measure the middle of the top part, mark that, and then go ahead and mark the middle of the bottom part. And then I'm gonna go ahead and mark down the middle of that because that's what the pattern piece calls for. And of course, I'm gonna label center front and center back, and then of course the side panels. Alright, excuse the mess, but what I had to do in order to get this done was I actually had to go ahead and do the 15 inches she required instead of the 16 with a very small hemline. And I had to use all of the pants, like both of them, because this is only going to be enough for one side, one half of her, and then I have to do that one in order to get the other half. But as you can see, I had to use all of the pants, so here we go. So I gave it probably 1/2 centimeter on each side because that's really all I had to work with. So yeah, we got to do the next pants, and then just the center front and the center back, and then we have to remove the pocket because I didn't do that before. Before I completely attach the back pieces, I'm just gonna put on the zipper real quick. It's a small zipper. It's a temporary zipper, I guess, for now. And then I'm gonna put a little hook and clasp after I sew both of them on. So with this one, everything was good except for the length. She wanted it 2 inches shorter, and I also have to sew those sides down. And then at the top, I gotta fold the top over and continue our little seam all the way around. She was fine with this pocket, and she was fine with this pocket. And then I also have to add a little snap right here and right here, hook and eye. And then I gotta serge everything. Hey guys, so what I need to do next is I need to go ahead and hem the top so that way it matches this. So I'm basically gonna fold this over and pin it down all the way to here, and then again right here on the other side, because remember, this was the top of the pants and these were the lower pants, so they were already done. And then after that, I have to do the same with the bottom. I have to serge that again, but I did go ahead and serge all of the inseams beforehand, so y'all didn't get to see that. So when I am sewing, I do have to take a break every now and then, so I just decided to try a charcuterie board for the first time. And you guys, this is so pretty. She included some flowers, and I'm not sure what kind of leaves these are, but they're so cute. And this I got from Gray's house, I believe. This is what the board looks like, and it's so cute. And honestly, when I first saw this, I was kind of disgusted because I don't like stuff like this, but together they are really good. Like, I became obsessed. So I'm now hemming the bottom. I'm only doing 1/2 inch and I'm just folding it up. And I'm gonna go all the way around the skirt. And then I'm going to sew it. And after that, I'm going to fold the slits in. So now I have the bottom and the top hemmed. All I need left is the slit. I think she wanted left 1.5 inch slit. So this is pretty easy. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold it and I'm gonna sew from the front down. But basically I'm gonna flip it inside out. I'm gonna fold it and I'm gonna sew from here up, go over straight, and then down. So I'll show you what it looks like when I'm pinning it. So this is what it should look like when it's pinned. Right now I'm gonna start from this side. I go down, keep the needle down in the fabric, turn it over at a 90-degree angle, go down, keep the pin in the fabric, turn it at a 90-degree angle, and then go down here. So which is why I have this pin with the needle facing down and this pin with the needle facing up. So what I did was I sewed down. Like I said, I stopped a couple millimeters from the actual top of the slit. My needle is down. I'm gonna pick it up. I'm gonna turn the entire skirt. Is it 90 degrees? Yeah, it's about 90 degrees. Just like that. I'm going to put my presser foot down. I'm gonna sew. Okay, I'm gonna put my foot, I'm gonna put my needle down. I'm gonna pick up my foot. I'm gonna push the skirt back in and do another 90 until I get to right about here. And then I'm going to put my presser foot down again. Then, if you did it right, this is what it should look like. And then do the other side. This one right here. Clip your loose threads first. Alright, so all that's left is to put the hook and eyes on the sides. And of course the way you do that is with the needle and thread. So let's get started. Alright, don't look at my lumpy mannequin, but there you guys go. Here's the skirt. Here's the slits. I think if I were to change it though, I would put that on the back. Much like this one right here. But yeah. She doesn't mind me putting it on, but yeah. It doesn't fit me because my waist is different than hers. But if I had to do it again, this would be right here, just like this side is. But there you guys go. Don't make fun of my hip dips either. But there's your skirt. You're welcome. My hair's a mess right now. Alright, see you later. Here's a picture of her in her white version of this skirt that I made her, and yes, she is absolutely obsessed with it. Alright guys, so that's what I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed my videos. I'm sorry that this is all coming out late. I've been dealing with some stuff. I'll figure it out, don't worry. More videos to come. Just let me know what you want to see. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget, as always, to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, don't forget to follow all of my socials. They're all at Okayrichay. And let me know what you want to see next. Okay, bye!